What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video, how to promote Warrior Plus products with Google Ads. Do you want to know these Google Ad tricks? Do you want to promote your Warrior Plus products using Google Ads? If yes, then complete this A to Z tutorial step by step. I will show you everything. Okay, now see why this method is recommended. Okay, you can start Warrior Plus affiliate marketing today. Okay, you can make 100 per day using this method. Okay, you don't need any website. You run Google Ads, but you don't need any website. I will show you it. Then you don't need to buy any software to make anything. Okay, then no affiliate marketing is skill needed. Okay, then get traffic within 30 minutes. If you can run Google Ads, then you can get traffic within 30 minutes. Okay, you don't need to make any videos. Okay, and you don't need to wait for getting results. Okay, and finally it's an evergreen method. If you can run successfully Google Ads, then you can run it for a long time, for a lifetime. So guys, for all these reasons, I recommend you to run Google Ads and promote your Warrior Plus products. Okay, so guys, be ready. But I am Rajbhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JPG, Warrior Plus, and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, and I am working here for last 8 years. But first thing is first. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Rajbhadra. You see here, and smash the notification bell to be the first viewer all of the new videos, new updates inside my educational YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I can assure you, you never be disappointed, you never be frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month or more like me, then you can check my number on recommendation, or you can check my video description, and you get it. Make 10,000 per month affiliate commission, and you can check my recommendation. Okay, and you know it, traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make sales. Okay, and for this, another my recommendation, get unlimited buyer traffic. Here you can check it. Okay guys, it's all depends on you. Okay, I don't force you to check my recommendation, it's my recommendation. Okay, now I am excited how to promote Warrior Plus products with Google Ads. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to create account on Warrior Plus, how to choose the best offers to promote, and how to I already said it, you don't need any website. And in this method, I will show you how you can review Warrior Plus products and run it on Google Ads. Okay, so I will show you how you can make a amazing review and without any website, and finally how you can start running Google Ads. Okay, I will show you everything step by step, so don't miss any part of this video. It's a important video for Google Ads, and if you want to run Google Ads, you have to focus everything. Okay, so guys, let's start. So at the first, you have to create an Warrior Plus account. Okay, search Google on Warrior Plus. You see here, search on Warrior Plus and free sign up here. You see here, free sign up. Okay, you see here, you have to put your username, then your password, your email address, and put here you are not a robot, then click account. Okay, after fill up all the blanks, you have to confirm your email to activate your account. Okay, after activate your account, you have to choose offers to promote. Okay, now if you want to run Google Ads, then you have to choose upcoming products or newly released product. Now I will show you on of the website that you will get the newly released product and upcoming release product. You already heard this name. You see here, it's muncheye.com. You see, it's muncheye.com. You will get all the newly released product and all the upcoming released product here, and you have to choose your product from here, and I recommend you to choose your products from here. You see here all the upcoming release product here, and you see all the just launched product here. Now I will show you. I will choose one of the product from here. You see here, it's the product of Brandon Mess, one of the number one vendor of Warrior Plus. Now I want to promote this product using Google Ads. Okay, I will show you a step by step. Okay, you just think I am a newbie. I don't know anything like you, and I want to run Google Ads. Okay, just follow me all the steps. Okay, at the first you have to create your Warrior Plus account. Okay, now you have to choose products for promoting. Okay, you see here all the JV page. You have to visit this JV page to get approval to promote this product. Okay, you see here is the product uh, profile profit mate. Okay, you see here is the sales page. You can open the sales page, and you see here is the grab your affiliate link. You see here, grab your affiliate link, just visit this link. Okay, you see here it's the profit mate and request approval. You see here, request approval. If you get approval, then you can promote this offer, otherwise not. So you have to request approval. Just click this request approval, and you have to write a short note. Okay, I write a short note here. Okay, you see here, you see my short note. Hello, I am Raju Bhadro. I am an affiliate of Warrior Plus. I am so interested to promote your offer. I have targeted traffic for promoting your offer. I run Google Ads to promote the Warrior Plus products. Please approve me and let me promote your offer. Okay, thanks in advance. Okay, then you have to request offer. Just click here, and your request has been sent. After getting approval, you will get a notification, mail notification, that you are eligible to promote this offer. Okay, now you have to write a review about this profit made product. Okay, and for this you can visit the sales page of this product, this profit made product, and at the first, I recommend you, at the first you have to read the A to Z sales page. Okay, if you read the entire sales page, then you will get the overview of this product. Then you can write an amazing review. Okay, you have to write an amazing review in the case of Google Ads, because you run ads, you invest money to get traffic, and if you can't make an amazing review, then you just invest money but you don't get any results. So you have to write an amazing review. You have to focus it mainly. Okay, so read the entire sales page A to Z. Okay, completely. You have to choose the key points, all the key points, catchy points from the sales page, and you have to make a review. You have to make such review that are convertible. Okay, if 10 if 15 to 20 people read your review, and you have to be targeted minimum on sales. Okay, if you get 20 people inside your review, then you have to target on sale minimum, then you get better result. Okay, so you have to focus on writing good review. Okay, and for this you have to read all the enter the sales page, and you have to choose the catchy points from the sales page and make an amazing review. And at the first I said it, you don't need any website to make this review, to run this Google Ads. Okay, and for this you have to use site Google. Okay, it's one of the part of Google. So if you make review on site Google, then you can promote your site Google link into your Google Ads account, and you get approval. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of marketer run Google Ads using site Google. They don't have any website. Okay, so you can easily do it. Now visit this site Google, and you have to create an project. Just click an project here. You can design your project. I recommend you to design your project before running Google Ads. Okay, now you have to set your project name. Digital products review 2020 on. Okay, you can choose any of the name. You can put your own name. It's depend on you. Okay, now you have to publish your project first. Okay, you see here the publish button. Now you have to publish your project, and it's your project URL, it's your website URL, site Google / view / this URL. Now publish it. Okay, fine. Now visit the site Google homepage, and you see here it's your created project. Now visit this project. Now you have to write this products review. Okay, now see here the page, click the page, and you have to add page, and your page name is your product review name. Okay, here is the product name review. Does it fortify? Okay, it's your title. Now make done. You see here it's your title. Okay, fine. Now you can add text here. Just click this inside the home page. Now you see here text box. Put the text box and I write a review. Okay, here is the Profit Mate introduction. Just copy it. Okay, okay, I complete my review here. Now you can add your call to action here. Check out. Okay, you can add your call to action like this one, and here you can add your affiliate link. When you get approval of this product, then just simply put your affiliate link and add it here. Okay, it's my review. I show it just in a shortcut for saving this time duration. Okay, now you have to publish your review post. Okay, just publish it. Okay, you can preview your post here. Now publish it. Just click the view and you see here it's your review post. Okay, when you design your project, then your page, your review post looks like more amazing. Okay, so I recommend you to design your project before writing review, before running Google Ads. And I recommend you to buy a website and make your post on your own website and run it on Google. Okay, but if you don't have a website and if you have not interested to make post on website, then you can use this free OS. Okay, you don't need website to get approval on Google. Okay, it's not mandatory, but I recommend you to build a website, to buy a website and make post on your website and make your final URL. You see here it's your final URL. You have to put this URL to run Google Ads, and when you get approval on Google Ads, then Google Ads show this URL, and customer, your audience, your people visit this URL and get this review, get this products review, and if they interested, they buy from here. Okay, it's your final URL. Now you have to promote this URL inside Google Ads. Okay guys, that's all the steps before running ads. Okay, if you face any problem, if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I will show you, I will reply you all the question, all of your queries. And uh, if you face any difficulties, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your problem. I will show you uh, how you can run Google Ads easily. Okay, and don't miss any part of this video. I will show you a step by step entire the method. Okay, now I want to repeat the whole process once again before creating my ad campaigns. Okay, at the first you have to create your Warrior Plus account. Okay, after creating your Warrior Plus account, you can get upcoming product and newly launched product on this mansai.com. You have to choose products from here. Okay, after that you have to write a review. If you have website, then fine, and if you don't have website, then you can use Site Google. Create a project, then make your page, and inside the page you can make a review like this. Okay, and you see here it's the final URL. Now I promote this URL using Google Ads. Okay guys, now let's see the Google Ads campaign, how I set Google Ads campaign, how I run Google Ads campaign. Okay, but first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Rajubhadro. If you want to get a lot of helpful content, then you can check my YouTube channel. You will get a lot of helpful content, and like ClickBank method, JVG method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, high ticket program, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. I don't like any clickbait video, and I try my best to make unique, newly released method that works fine for making money online. Okay, and if you want to make big money with affiliate marketing 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Okay, and if you have any question about this method, then don't forget to comment in the comment box. Don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries. Okay guys, and don't forget to like this video if you like this video. Now you have to run Google Ads to promote this product and get instant traffic. At the first you have to sign up your Google Ads account. Okay, it's so easy. Just you can sign in your Google Ad account using your Gmail address. Okay, just sign in your Google Ad account. You see the dashboard of Google Ads. You see it. Now you have to create your campaign. At the first, just you see here, create a new campaign. Okay, now target your select your target. What you want to select. If you want to get sell, then select sell. If you want to get leads, then select lead. If you want to get website traffic, then website traffic. Then I recommend you to select sales or website traffic. You can choose any of these. Okay, then select the campaign type, which campaign, which ways you want to get on search. Okay, I recommend you to choose search traffic. Okay, now here is the website visit, which website you want to promote. Now here is your final URL. Just copy it and put it here. Okay, then continue. You can put your campaign name, and it's depend on you. Okay, you can put the product name ProfitMate. Okay, now here is important, what you want to get traffic. I recommend you to just search network. Okay, deselect this display network. Okay, now you have to enter your location. If you want to put all the countries, then click here all countries, and if you want to get any specific country, then put here the name. Suppose if you want to promote add on only USA, then target USA, target. Okay, if you put another, then Canada, okay, then target. So you can select your country using this, okay, by doing it. Now here you see here the location option, and click here presence people or regular in your targeted location. That means which people always interested in this make money online. Okay, only these people show this ad. Okay, fine. Now your language, it's English. Okay, fine. And budget, it's depend on you, but I recommend you to make minimum 25 or $30. Okay, minimum 25 or $30. Now set your bid strategy, and here is on tricks, and I recommend you just click here and choose it at the manual CPC. Okay, here is the tricks, and I personally do it the manual CPC, and finally save and continue. Okay, now here is the ad group, it's depend on you. Profit, you can put your product name. Okay, fine. Now here is the default bid. Here is some tricks. If you select all the countries, okay, if you select all the countries, then I recommend you to put your bid budget on 30 cent. Okay, if you select all the countries, then 30 cent. And if you select only tier 1 countries, just USA, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, this tier 1 country, then I recommend you to put budget 60 cent. Okay, so once again, if you select all the countries, then 30 cent. If you select only tier 1 countries, then 60 cent. Okay, fine. Now you have to put your keywords. Okay, I select the keywords. You see here all the keywords: ProfitMate review, ProfitMate, ProfitMate app, ProfitMate software, ProfitMate scam, ProfitMate demo, ProfitMate preview. You can add more as you want. Okay, now you see here no traffic expected. Check your campaign targeting setting to fix it. This product name has no Google Earth value, so for this reason no traffic expected. And for this, and you have to solve it, you have to fix it, otherwise you can't publish your ad. Okay, and for this here is on tricks: just make money online. Okay, put this keyword, then you see it, it's fix solve. And in the case of keyword choosing, you can choose 3 types of keyword. One is broad mass, another is fresh mass, and another is exact mass. And in the case of review marketing, I prefer exact mass. For this I put all the keyword for exact massing. Okay, and make money online is not my targeted. when you published your ad, then click your ad and pause this keyword. Mind it, after publishing your ad, when your ad is under approval, then you just pause this make money online keyword. Okay, otherwise it cost money, but you don't get any targeted traffic. For this you have to pause this keyword. This keyword added for fixing your problem, not for getting traffic. Okay, now completing it, and you have to save and continue. And in this phase, I repeat it again, at the first your ad group name, then select your bid, and if you choose every country, then bid rate will be 30 cent, and if you choose only tier 1 country, then in this case bid will be 60 cent. Okay, now 7, and after that you can put your keywords here, then save and continue. Okay, you see here you have to put your final URL, and your final URL already put it here. Then display URL site Google, then profit mate. Okay, now you have to put your headlines, profit mate review. Okay, then how it or does it worth to buy. Profit mate scam alleged. Should I buy it, etc. You can sorry you see here is your final URL. Okay, fine. Then here is your display URL. Okay, fine. Now you have to put the headlines, and here is the headline, profit mate review, and make pin for on. Pin for on means, you see here, always show profit mate review in the first position. Okay, then you don't need to select any on for on or two or any other, and you have to put all the headlines here. Then you have to add new description. Okay, check out okay, you have to put your description like this, or you can check other marketers post. If you search, okay, profit mate review, if you search profit mate review, then you will get a lot of meta tag description in various posts. You can choose any of the meta tag. You see here someone already running Google ads. you see here. So you can add your description by seeing other people's, but you can put your description like this, and finally save and continue. Okay, if you if Google face any problem, then you see here, here is no problem, then you can simply click the publish button and publish your ad. That's it. That's all the process of running Google Ads, creating Google Ads campaign. So guys, that's it. Now I want to repeat all the process once again. At the first, create your Google Ads account. Create your WarriorPlus account. Then choose your upcoming products from Mansai. Then make a review. Okay, make a review using Site Google. If you have a website, then fine, make your review post inside your website. If you don't have a website, then use Site Google to make your review. Then make a review like this, and it's your final URL. After that, you have to visit Google Ads. Then you have to create your new campaign, and step by step everything I already show it in this video. And if you have any question about this method, about this Google Ads, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to your queries. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all the new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you are interested on affiliate marketing, and if you want to make big money with affiliate marketing like me, like 10,000 per month, then check my video description and you get it. Make 10,000 per month affiliate commission here, you can check it. And if you think you need traffic for promoting your offers, promoting your service, product, software, then you can get unlimited buyer traffic. You can check it. It's one of the best ClickBank product, and I recommend you to check it. So guys, that's all the method how to promote WarriorPlus products with Google Ads, and you can easily make 100 or more per day if you can invest money on Google Ads. And obviously you have to use the right ways, and in this video I will show you all the right ways, the right perfect ways, perfect steps that you need to run Google Ads and for promoting WarriorPlus products and make WarriorPlus commission. So guys, that's it. See you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye. And don't forget to like this video.